Hi guys, I just want to show you how the web works. When you visit the web server hosting that site could be anywhere in the world, right? And it could be in France, it can be in China, it can be in the US, it can be in Ghana or Nigeria. But for you to be able to find the location of the web server, your browser will first connect to a domain name server, right? And so if you type in a website, it will connect to a domain name server. I would explain that in a bit in the next slide. And then when you visit the website, it sends you to a web server. The web server basically holds the information, right? So web servers are like having office space. You need to host your business in a particular office space, right? And depending on what you do and how much capacity you need determines how much space you would rent, right? So if you rent a one room, it's cheaper than renting a 3-bedroom. So a web server hosts your website and keeps your website information, images, videos, links, and stuff like that. So let's go through this in detail. When you visit the website, so you type codeweight.co or www.google.com, it sends you to a domain name server. It connects to a domain name server. It's the DNS server that tells your browser how to find the website. So think about a domain name server like a phone book. They tell your computer the IP address associated with the requested domain. So an IP address, every computer has an IP address, right? And every device has an IP address. And the IP address is a 12 digits separated by periods, right? You have 12 digits separated by periods. And every device connected to the web has a unique IP address. It's like the phone number for the computer, right? Or for the device. And when that happens, we make contact with the web server. So the unique number that the DNS server returns to your web computer allows your browser to contact the web server that hosts the website you requested, right? And then we fetch the information and it sends the message back to your PC. So the web server then sends the page you requested back to your web browser. So basically, when you type www.google.com or codeweight.co, it turns out in maybe like a few seconds, but during that period, these are all the processes that information is going through. So as soon as you type and you hit send, it connects to a DNS server, contact is made with a web server, and a message is sent to you, basically. So that's about it. That's how the web works. I'll see you in the next video.